best way to prepare for beach season in no time is to choose one effective exercise and stick to it. Today's video will discuss about the reserve plank exercise that not yet as popular as a regular plank but is easily as useful. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. How to do it? Sit on the floor and stretch your legs in front of you. Put your hands on the floor, palms down, and spread your fingers for maximum support. Bend forward by 45 degrees to the floor. Put your hands behind your buttocks so that your arms make a straight line from your shoulders down. Hold your weight with your hands and heels while pushing your buttocks up. Lift your torso, legs and buttocks until they form a straight line, just like with regular plank. Strain your abdominal muscles and pull your stomach in while your torso is moving up. Hold these positions for 15 to 60 seconds. Slowly lower yourself on the floor. Effects: feet, buttocks and clips. Compared to the regular plank, the reserve one loads your gluteus and clips much more. Improve metabolism while you're in the plank. Calorie will burn even faster than they would from dynamic exercise. It's been noted that most people practicing this plank have no problems with metabolism. Perfect spine. The reserve plank guarantees improvement of postures as you use the muscles that help keep your back straight. It's particularly important for the office workers. Relief from pain and cramps in the back. By doing the reserve plank at least 3 to 4 times a week, you will rid yourself of back aches and cramps. Both reserves and regular planks effectively work the responsible muscles, flat abs, and more. It's important not to lower your pelvis or throw back your head, and your back should be straight. The reserve plank strengthens your arms, abs, and legs, and also stretches your shoulders muscles. Are you going to try this exercise? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.